Managing school facilities is no small task. But what if there was a way to make it faster, easier, and smarter? With OperationsHERO's cutting-edge AI technology, facility management is now more efficient than ever. Simply use your phone or tablet to scan a nameplate. In seconds, our AI extracts critical information: manufacturer, model, serial number, and more, filling out asset fields automatically. No manual entry, no wasted time. But we didn't stop there. With just one click, you can create an asset and attach the scanned item plate image for instant reference. No guesswork, just accuracy and speed. Need quick access to asset details? Simply scan a QR code to instantly pull up essential information: OEM manuals, pictures, parts lists, and even open work orders. Everything you need exactly when you need it. And when it's time to schedule preventative maintenance or an inspection task, it's as easy as typing a few keywords. Let our AI do the rest, creating precise, actionable task lists customized to your exact needs. With OperationsHERO, you're not just managing facilities, you're optimizing them. Our AI-powered tools save time and money by streamlining asset creation and providing effortless access to task management. Stay ahead with industry-leading software designed to make your school's operations smarter and more efficient. Ready to experience the OperationsHERO difference?